I upgraded my non-tubeless maxi space 29 by 2.1 to a tubeless Vittoria Mezcal of the same size, and I was able to save 450 grams of rotational weight. Measuring the non-tubeless setup, we have 4.95 kilograms for both tires. For this setup, I'll be using the Vittoria Mezcal. This is one of the most popular tires by XC racers. I also purchased the tubeless kit consisting of rim tape, the tubeless valve, and the sealant. The brand for the tubeless kit is one of these Chinese brand called Submit. It is a budget-friendly tubeless kit. Now I went to the local bike shop to swap the tires. The local bike shop near my area only charges 100 Philippine pesos, or the equivalent of about $2. Taking new measurements of the finished product with the Vittoria Mezcal, we have 4.5 kilograms. This is 450 grams lighter with a tube maxi space setup of 4.95 kilograms. If you are using tire liners on your tube setup, the weight reduction will even be more significant. I can immediately feel that the bike is lighter to pedal because of the side effect of a tubeless setup, which is weight reduction.